What's that smell? Is that yesterday's lunch? Whose turn is it to take out the trash? Ugh, is that garbage juice all over the floor? Life is messy. It's busy and it gets real gooey and sticky.
I'm sorry.
Sometimes you don't have the time and energy to deal with everything. The last thing you want to deal with is your trash. That's why I choose to use Townew, a trash can designed to be the cleaner, simpler, and faster way to deal with your trash. With Townew in your home, you don't have to deal with the smell, that sticky buildup, or that gross feeling that comes from having to touch the trash. You see, with a wave of your hand, Townew's lid automatically opens. But most impressively, this trash can's secret weapon is an innovative sealing technology that seals the bag for you. So you can simply toss the trash without having to look at the mess or smell yesterday's leftovers. Then it's smart enough to close itself up and automatically pulls a new bag into place. Townew was able to do this because the bags are not your traditional individual bags, but rather an affordable removable ring of recyclable materials, which is cut and sealed by the built-in thermoplastic sealing technology. Each refill ring can create up to 25 durable trash bags and can be bought in bulk. And it doesn't end there. It also has an overload feature that detects when the trash can is really full, lifting the top so it can seal the bag, guaranteeing you no spillage. All you have to do is grab the bag and throw it away. No leakage, no stink, no mess. If you could make taking out the trash just a tad cleaner, a bit easier, and a little faster, wouldn't you? Townew, a little less messy, even on a good day.